Have you been wondering how to use Douglas Fir essential oil? Well, stick around to hear some uses as well as how Doterra is making a huge difference in New Zealand where the oil is harvested. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find that link. Doterra Douglas Fir essential oil is sustainably sourced from young trees in New Zealand, where it is a highly invasive species threatening the country's ecosystem. By harvesting young Douglas fir trees and using them for essential oil, Doterra is helping combat the environmental impact of the trees overtaking the land while providing a premium conifer essential oil. Because Douglas fir trees are often used in the Christmas tree industry, the aroma of Douglas fir essential oil has many uses around the holidays. You can create your own holiday room spray and invite the smells of the season into your home. Simply combine 15 drops of frankincense, 15 drops of grapefruit, and 30 drops of Douglas fir into a glass spray bottle. Top with water and spray. I also like to put the Douglas fir essential oil on a porous Christmas ornament I have on the tree to help give it that Christmassy smell. Many people use Douglas fir oil for skin because it holds cleaning and purifying properties when applied topically. Due to its chemical makeup, Douglas fir essential oil is very useful for cleaning, whether you're wiping down counters or purifying your skin when you wash your face in the morning. To enjoy the benefits of Douglas fir oil for your skin, add a few drops of the oil to your facial moisturizer to help cleanse and purify the skin. With a combination of citrus and wood notes, Douglas fir oil's aroma can help promote an uplifting and positive environment. When you want to create a positive mood at home, at the office, or in a child's bedroom, diffuse a few drops of Douglas fir essential oil. Now here's just a few more uses for Douglas fir. Apply to the temples and forehead to clear mental fog. Apply to the chest and bridge of the nose to help clear air passages and to quiet a cough. Add to wintergreen essential oil to massage muscles and joints that are sore. You can use Douglas fir essential oil topically and aromatically, but not internally. It's all part of taking control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.